do with a boy like you? Like you? What do I do with you? What do I do with a boy like you? What do I do with a boy like you? Like you?
Welcome back guys. So today's list is about top 10 Yuri anime where girl loves girl. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do and ring the notification bell so you won't be missing any of the future updates. And if you do enjoy the video, please press the like button.
こういうことにこの島にいたら誰でもそうなるわ。行くわよ。
Valkyrie Tribe. The series revolves around the girls who have been infected with a mysterious virus known as Armed Virus. These girls are divided into two classes: X-Stars, who can transform into weapons when sexually aroused, and Liberators, who have the power to wield an X-Star weapons form known as Liberator Arms through a process known as Tribe. These girls are brought to separate islands to spend their days completely isolated from the rest of the world until the islands observer, authorized by a government organization AAA, ostensibly deem them ready to join the society again.
男の子相手の方が緊張するよ。最初痛いしね。だからさ、してあげるよ。予行練習。
Number 9. Natsuzu Tribe. High school students Yuma Okazaki and Hotaru are childhood friends. With their respective boyfriends Takeda and Fujiwara, their lives couldn't be more perfect. From playing in school to going on group dates, it seems nothing can break their bond. However, during one such group date, Hotaru makes an unexpected move. While Takeda and Fujiwara are distracted, she begins stroking Yuma's thighs. Taken aback by this peculiar action, Yuma awkwardly retreats to the toilet, followed shortly by her aggressor. Now in private, Hotaru forces the innocent Yuma into the locked cubicle and whispers into her ear, "You will be more nervous with a boy. I will help you practice." Tachibana-kun Triangle. When Natsuno Hanabi went back to her hometown to study in high school, she thought that she will have a new wonderful life. But Tachibana-kun, the dormitory she was going to live in, was not what she expected. Number 7. Sakura Trick. Having been best friends since middle school, Haruka Takeyama and Yu Sonoda plan to attend Misato West High School together. However, despite being assigned to the same class, a cruel twist of fate has them seated on the opposite ends of their classroom. To make matters worse, their school will shut down in 3 years, making them the final intake of first-year students. Undeterred by this chain of unfortunate events, Haruka is set on sticking with Yu, striving to create many wonderful memories with her.
上？
それを言うなら北ですわ。
それに方位記号ならこうだよ。まあ、そうとも書くよね。
そう。
Number 6. Yuru Yuri. After a year in a grade school without her childhood friends, first-year student Akari Akaza is finally reunited with second years Yui and Kayoka at their all-girls middle school. During the duo's first year, Yui and Kayoka formed the amusement club, which occupies the now non-existent Tea Club's room. Shortly after Akari joins, one of her fellow classmates, Chinatsu, pays the trio a visit under the impression that they are the Tea Club. It is only once the three girls explain that the Tea Club has been disbanded, so that they can convince Chinatsu to join the amusement club, a group with no purpose other than to provide entertainment for its members. At number 5, Miss Kobayashi's Dragon Maid. As office worker, Kobayashi's get ready for work, but she is greeted by a large dragon right outside her front door. The dragon immediately transforms into a human girl in a maid outfit and introduces herself as Toru. It turns out that during a drunken excursion into the mountains the night before, Kobayashi had encountered the dragon, who claims to have come from another world. Subsequently, Kobayashi had removed a holy sword from Toru's bag, earning her gratitude. With Toru having no place to stay, Kobayashi's offer to let the dragon stay at her home and become her personal maid, to which she agrees. Despite being efficient at housework, Toru's orthodox method of housekeeping often ends up scaring Kobayashi and bringing more trouble than help. Additionally, Toru's presence attracts other dragons, gods, and mythical beings to her new home. At number 4, Flip Flappers. Kokona is an average middle schooler living with her grandmother, and she, who has yet to decide a goal to strive for, soon met a strange girl named Paprika who invites her to an organization called Flip Flap. Dragged along by an energetic stranger, Kokona finds herself in the middle of Pure Illusion, a bizarre alternate dimension, helping Paprika look for crystal shards. Upon completing their mission, Paprika and Kokona are sent to yet another world in a pure illusion. As a dangerous creature besets them, the girls use their crystal to transform into a magical girl, Kokona into Pure Blade, and Paprika into Pure Barrier. But as they try to defeat the creature before them, 3 others with powers from a rival organization enter the fray and slay the creature, taking with them a fragment left behind from its body. Afterwards, the girls realize that to stand a chance against their rivals and the creatures in Pure Illusion, they must learn to work together and synchronize their feelings in order to transform more effectively.
私が無邪気に信じてるとでも思った？佐伯先輩。
At number 3, Bloom Into You. Freshman high schooler Yu Koito has always loved shoujo manga, so she's aware of what she ought to be feeling if she were to receive a love confession. But when a junior high classmate confesses his feelings for her, she somehow does not feel anything. She delays her response and ends up entering high school, still unsure of how to respond to those type of feelings. While there, she happens to see the student council president, Taoko Nanami, elegantly turning down a confession. Yu is inspired to ask her for advice. She finds out that Nanami has never accepted a confession because none of them has ever made her feel anything in particular. The two bond over their similarities, but then Nanami realizes that she could be falling in love with Yu, so she suddenly confesses her feelings to her.
魔女が食う。その魔女を私たちが食う。これが当たり前のルールでしょ。そういう強さの順番なんだから。
Madoka and Sayaka are regular middle school girls with regular lives. But all that changes when they encounter Kyubey, a cat-like magical familiar, and Hamura, a new transfer student. Kyubey offers them a proposition. He will grant any of their wishes, and in exchange they will each become a magical girl, gaining enough power to fulfill their dreams. However, Hamura, a magical girl herself, urges them not to accept the offer, stating that everything is not what it seems. A story of hope, despair, and friendship. Beulah, Magi, Madoka, and Magica deals with the difficulties of being a magical girl and the price one has to pay to make a dream come true.
その辺どうなの、生徒会長さん。ほら、反論をでき。
At number 1, Citrus. Yuzu Ayahara, a fashionable, spontaneous, and fun-loving city girl, transferred to a new neighborhood and a high school after her mother's remarriage to another man. More preoccupied with boys and shopping than studying, Yuzu struggles to fit in at conservative girls' school and frequently clashes with the student council president, Mii Ayahara, the hardworking, beautiful, but cold student council president. As it turns out, Mi happens to be Yuzu's new stepsister, and Yuzu finds herself having to share a bedroom with a girl she absolutely cannot stand. The series follows the evolution of relationship between the two girls, with animosity slowly lessening as the two begin to learn more about each other and confusion growing as Yuzu discovers that she is starting to develop a romantic feelings for her new stepsister.
All the choices you made, did you make